Hey, so today we're going to be setting up phone numbers in GoHighLevel, the cell phone number or mobile, mainline, and the toll-free numbers as well. And then we're going to be showing you how to get approved for A2P and the like regulatory bundles and address bundles and all things like that. So I'm just going to do a literal walkthrough. This should take no longer than 5 minutes. We'll see what the title says. That's how long it took to make this video, but let's try and get it done in 5 minutes. So if we go to phone numbers, obviously settings, phone numbers, and then if you're in like a client's account or your account, just head over to, we have to add the addresses first. So if you go to regulatory bundle address, so you create address bundle, and then we'll put the name of the customer. So I'm just going to use my business for this. I'm in the UK, so obviously I'm going to do UK. I will grab my address and then put it in. Customer name is the same. Joe, I actually do friendly name. I actually put address, just so it's easy to distinguish. State province is just London. Postcodes, city London. Let's go there. Okay, cool. You have to fill out every single line. I didn't realize that. This has actually changed recently. Cool. All right, that's done. So that was quick, right? Just for the address bundle, and then we have the regulatory bundle. So that's per country. So we will do UK again, business, and then here's where we do the number types: local, mobile, or toll free. I need all three. So again, the Genix Limited. Oh, sugar, I forgot which one we did. Let's go previous. So it's local. So the Genix Limited. Oh yeah, we just keep it like that because we need to pick a friendly name after. Sorry. Regulatory authority. So this one you have to have like a company type number. I think as well, if you go individual, you can just upload your ID. So yeah, that could be an option. Business registration number is, I get it from Company's House, obviously in the UK here. Business website, www.nagenix.com. My website's not done, so don't worry about that. So obviously I've got my name, phone number. I will use, yeah, I'll just put this in now. Obviously phone number and email I will put in, just put NA here, and I'll see you on the next page because obviously just to keep it private. Oh, also make sure you read this. So you have to do it like in a format like this. So the number has to be all together, and then it has to have like the proper country code and remove the 0 at the start. Otherwise, you'll go to the end and it'll get rejected. So make sure that's correct. Okay, proof of identity. I literally just I take a screenshot of this from Company's House. I literally just go copy that, get that. I will download that. Oh yeah, I've got to be that 5 minute mark. Upload that, grab here, Genix Limited, registration authority, number again. It's just United Kingdom. This has changed slightly actually recently. Okay, let's try that. Update. And then proof of address, that's just the same thing basically, address, and then we can grab that. Emergency address, I don't think we need to do that. Physical address, I'm just going to do the same one. Yeah. Upload documents, update documents rather, and then submit that. Okay, cool. I don't know why there's 2 drafts. Let's just refresh that a sec. Okay, cool. And then I'm not sure why there's 2 drafts. So that was the local one. Let's do. It's literally the same process for each one. So you can give this tutorial to a VA. So we've got mobile now. Next. Again, just type the same things in, and then Genix Limited, UK, registration number, www.nagenix facebook.com, Michael Stewart, cool, and I'll put these in again. Cool, and then we're here for this again. I will pause and come back. Okay, so I'll put that in and I will submit that now, and then we've got to do the last one. So that's in reviews. Normally should be done by the time I finish this. UK, toll free, next. This used to be a bit of a pain, if I'm honest with you. Like, it used to take 3 days for them to authorize it, or like a week. It was a nightmare. I think they used to charge you as well, quite, like, I don't know if it was like $60-70. So if you got it failed, you'd have to keep having to pay $70 each time, even though it was for something ridiculous. So yeah, they have tightened it up, and they have again recently as well, judging by how that is set out. So yeah, I'll fill out all this and come to the final page and then get it submitted. Okay, cool, I clicked submit already. So that was a toll-free, local and mobile done. Let's just see if any of them have been approved yet or rejected. Alright, so we'll come back to this in a sec. What we would then do is add here. Let me just see if I can add it at the minute. I don't think you can. So UK, so you might be able to do the address one. See the address requirement. So none here for mobile. Okay, so for this is for a client. So I'm going to grab a mobile. Let's just see. Add bundle. I think I've jumped the gun there, haven't I? Yeah, saying there's no bundle. So what will happen is it will come up here when it's ready. So I'll come back in a sec. Right, so we are finally back. That took longer than I expected, to be honest with you. Took over a day. So they were normally 5 minutes. I don't know if it's because it's Christmas and they're taking a bit longer, but it can be 5 minutes to 1 to 2 days. But we got there. So mobile numbers, just manage numbers, just go to here, add number, add phone number. We're going UK. We need a main line. So he is from up north in the UK. Let me just have a look. Okay, so here's a little trick. Obviously similar in the States, but phone numbers in Cheshire. It's from Cheshire. Area code 01244. So if we do, it might have to be a +44. Hang on, can't get there. Okay, let's try that. Might not work. I got a feeling. Oh, there we are. Chester. Sorry, Chester. Okay, cool. Let's grab that. Proceed to buy. Address. Do my address. Bundle is, I can't remember which one's which now. Let's try the top one. I think it'll, yeah. You've got to select the right bundle basically. Oh, hang on. Just go back in. 01244. First part, apply. Cool. Let me check these bundles. Which one's which? So it will be the third one down. So we'll do that. I'll grab this. Like that, the third one down. Proceed to buy. Cool, that's done. We'll grab all the numbers first and then we'll configure them after. Add another phone number. UK. So this one I don't have to do an area because I only want a toll-free one, just because I think it looks professional when reaching out. Let's let's just go with that. Where's the toll-free one? Is the top one. Proceed. Top one. Proceed to buy. We'll add number again to get a mobile one. Let's go here. So that leaves the middle. Oh, and what I'd do, a little tip, I would set the mobile to the default number because for texts and things, so like when you have like reminders for calls and texts and stuff for calls via text, it will text from this and it will go through successfully. So we will change some settings as well. Is it a number info? No, it's edit configuration. Now this is just for us and how we like to use it, so yours might be slightly different. By default, the system transmit the number. Okay, cool. Yeah, we don't need that. Forwarding calls, obviously, it depends what you'd like. We encourage everyone to use the mobile app because it separates it from their phone line. I think it's much less intrusive and just it's better for them as a business owner and their personal life. We won't do a call connect feature. We do record calls because they like this. I put a little space in there so you don't get the message. And incoming and outgoing call timeout is 2020. Ring call to selected users, which is Dom in this case. Yeah, perfect. So like whisper message. So for example, we run like lead generation for like people's businesses. So the call connect message could be like, this is a lead from Google Ads or something like that. If you wanted to, just to separate numbers, where they're coming from. Let's say, I'm just hypothetically, I don't mean to get too complicated, but let's say this was used for Google Ads, this was used for Facebook Ads, this call connect would say a call from Facebook Ads or something like that. A call from Google Ads, so you know the difference if you needed to. So this will be toll free, and then call recording, space, outgoing, there, done. Lovely. Save that. And then this one is landline. It just makes it easier moving forward. Call recording, they've all got the same thing. Ring to Dom and then save. And then I think the last thing, I'll just check his settings in the staff. Lovely. Hang on. Is it user available? I'll call and voicemail. So yeah, let's do the mobile app. Perfect. Yeah, we just do the mobile app because it acts like a second phone line. Cool, I think that is everything. Oh, somewhere else we put the number as well is, we will put it here as well. Should be like that. Let me grab that number. Okay, so that's changed to the phone number. Lovely, and that's how you set up in GoHighLevel. Perfect.